Well, apparently my recording decided to drop out on me at the last second, but I can still do this might be my part 3, and the part 4 would be jet back and forth. The recording decided to drop out on me and say that, oh, you don't have enough space left. Well, too bad. I'm still recording. So you can shut the frick up. Anyways. Actually, if I can fuse the two clips together, that would be nice, but I don't know how to do that. But I do want to know how to edit. So that'd be nice. No, don't start this with me. Great, crosswinds. I hate them. Hey, still made it. That's nice. So technically this would be the second half. But I mean, still, it wasn't really a half. But, I mean, you get the point. I know how to fly a Cessna 172 SP. Okay? Now let me go upload this, because why friggin' not?